Pterodactyl here, and something had arrived in the mail from a fan. Got out my spider knife. Let's crack it open. Oh, looks like a sticker. Light Source Engraving. Nice. Oh, it's all wrapped. It's a gift. I'm curious to see what this is. A beautiful wooden box. Knuckleheads operating power equipment. Woo! That was engraved by Light Source Engraving. Look at that. There's our logo. Taryl fixes all. Grass Rat's Garage. What a beautiful box. Dinosaur juice. Taryl fixes all. Light Source Engraving. Grass Rat's Garage. Repair service. There's the wheelie horse. Oh, this is from a fan. Let's see what's inside. Look at this. It's beautiful. What's in here? What's this? What is this? Oh. This looks like a flask. It is. Taryl fixes all. Look at this custom flask. Is this beautiful? And a little funnel to fill it. Ha ha ha, that's awesome. Hope Ed don't get a hold of that. Look at that. That is really cool. Come here, funnel. What else do we got? That is really awesome. What are these? Taryl Fixes All magazine cartridges. Two of them. Light Source Engraving. Magnet. Something in the front here. Taryl Fixes All. What is this, a bottle opener? That looks like a pretty good sized bottle opener. Wow. This man makes all kinds of stuff. That's engraved on leather. That's real leather. Got some cups here. We'll try to get them out. Look at that. Taryl Fixes All engraved on this cup. It's a polar camel cup. Something inside. What is this? Looks like a knife. There's your dinner. Look what it says here. Slide for dinner. Not hungry? Let's eat. Yeah, let's eat. Not hungry right now. Let's eat. Not hungry. It's awesome. And I can hang it on my belt or in my pocket. What does this button do? Woo! Wow, look at that! That's awesome! Woo, that's sharp too as a razor. Wow, what a nice knife. There's more stuff in here. Polar camel sticker. What? Some kind of like coins. Are these gold coins? These are gold coins. These are worth a lot of money. 'Cause they're heavy. Look at that. Taryl fixes all gold coins. There's your dinner and there's the wheelie horse. Riding on the back of dinosaur. 2023. And there's little pistons going all the way around. This fan is really talented. Check that out. What is that? That looks like it might be spark plug necklace right there. Here's another one of these. And it's heavy. Two more knives. A red one. It's got a nice little belt holder. So one must be for me and one must be for slippers. Here's another one. Same color, blue. So we got blue, red, and orange. Ooh, look at that blade on that one. Wow, the blades are all different. Here's another magazine. Here's a Light Source Engraving button. Another sticker. And this must be his business card. It's got a QR code on there. So hey, grass rats, if you're interested in having some custom engraving done, check out Light Source Engraving here. Wow. He sure got a lot of nice stuff in one little box. That's awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll get a use out of all this. Get away. Get away from my mug. Get away from me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Had his name on there. Patrick. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you very much. Uh-oh, what am I going to do with this knife now? What I got to do by hand. This one, I don't know which one I'm going to take. Red, blue, or orange. Ooh, that thing is sharp. I got the greatest fans, let me tell you. I have the greatest fans. Thank you again. And there's my dinner. I can go hunt my dinner now. And cut me a steak.